You're going to learn the C major chord in this lesson. This chord is going to pop up in song after song after song after song. So it's going to be of great benefit to spend some time learning it and making sure that it's nice and clear. So let's dig right into where to place your fingers for the C chord. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the video or visit 30daystoplay.com. To start, the index finger is going to be on the 1st fret of the B string. The middle finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the A string. Once you have your fingers in place, make sure that your fingers are in the sweet spot of the fret or as close as you can get to that, right next to that intended fret, but not on top of it. And make sure that you have nice, good, strong arch in your fingers. Again, bring that palm of your fretting hand, instead of keeping it far away from the bottom of the fretboard, go ahead and bring it close to the bottom of the fretboard so that you get good arch in that fingers and that your fingers are fretting right on the tips. Okay, once you have this chord shape, I want you to go through and play it string by string, starting on the A string and then moving through all the way to the high E, one string at a time to make sure that it sounds good. Here's an example. Okay, a couple problem areas of this chord that I see pretty commonly is that high E string might sound like this, or that open G string might sound like this. Okay, if that's the case, don't worry, this is a common problem. It's actually a pretty easy fix, and it all has to do with the arch of your finger. So make sure that your that palm is close to the neck of the guitar, and you have good arch in your fingers and that you're up on your fingertips. That will usually solve 90% of the problems. Once you have this chord shape and all the strings ring clearly, I want you to do a triumphant strum from the A string through the high E to celebrate the fact that you just learned the C chord. Now, the next question you might have is, holy smokes, I've got the chord shape. How am I ever going to remember where my fingers go? Well, enter the quick draw exercise. The quick draw exercise is a great way to get quick recall of where your fingers are going to go and develop confidence in the chord shape itself. Here's how it works. I want you to put your hand on your leg, and I'm going to count down from 5. And when I reach 0, that's when you're going to strum. What do you do in that in-between time? Well, you spend time getting your fingers in the right spot for that chord. Okay, so I'm going to just run you through a quick example right now. I'll give you 5 seconds to make the chord. I'll start at 5. When I reach 0, you're going to strum. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, strum. Okay. This is one of the best exercises that you can do to really dial in this chord shape and get it consistent, okay? And in this exercise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a 5-second quick draw. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the description or visit 30daystoplay.com.